Python Argparse allow combined flags. Is it possible for Argparse to parse combined flags like this? In this case, I would want something to be set to A and the rest would be stored true. Basically, I know most programs allow this, e.g. grep, ru, but how hard would it be to do this with Argparse?
Here's what I found with a little Googling. Several short options can be joined together, using only a single prefix, as long as only the last option, or none of them, requires a value. This URL
You can achieve this with store_const. Then you can call this from the command line either with a B or with a, or A, or B. Edit, and if you want one of the flags to take an argument, you need to pass it as the last item of the chain. So if it takes an argument, you'd need to do something.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.